What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to make YouTube videos with Chat GPT or how to write your YouTube video outline. Chat GPT is an open AI online tool that helps you in terms of your content generation, and it could be a great help when it comes to your social media strategy, especially for content creators. Making videos with ChatGPT is absolutely simple, and in today's video, let me show you an example of this ChatGPT YouTube video that I made.
Foster and grow on LinkedIn. 1. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date, including a professional headshot, a clear and concise headline, and a detailed summary that highlights your skills and experience. Use keywords that are relevant to your industry to make it easier for people to find you. 2. Build your network. Connect with people you know, including colleagues, classmates, and friends. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to expand your network and make new connections. 3. Share valuable content. Share informative and interesting articles, videos, and other content that is relevant to your industry. This will help you establish yourself as a thought leader and attract more followers. 4. Engage with others. Like, comment, and share content from others to increase visibility and build relationships. Respond to comments and messages to foster engagement and build a community around your content. 5. Use LinkedIn's advanced features. Leverage LinkedIn's advanced features such as endorsements, recommendations, and skills. These features can help you boost your credibility and visibility on the platform. 6. Utilize LinkedIn's paid support.
Alright, so that was like a quick glimpse of what I have made about 6 tips to grow on LinkedIn. Let us have a quick look about how to make YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Now, before we proceed ahead, make sure that you watch this video till the end, as this process is a bit complex, but I'm gonna make it as simple as possible to make you understand how can you go ahead and do that. And once you start creating YouTube videos with ChatGPT, you can just make free videos and upload on your channel. Alright, so step 1 is to go ahead and sign up into your ChatGPT account. If you haven't checked out my video about sign up process and a detailed video tutorial about ChatGPT, you can check out the playlist section. Then you go ahead and prompt whatever you want the content about. As you can see over here, I have multiple contents which is processed by the ChatGPT application, and one of them is, can you write a blog on how to grow on LinkedIn? And these are the steps that ChatGPT has provided. So I have my content ready. Now next thing that you need to do is have an MP3 for this particular content, which is a text to speech recorder. Step 2. In order to convert your text into speech, I am using this free website as https://ttsmp3.com. As you can see, I've already pasted the link on my particular notepad over here. Once you go on the website, just go ahead and paste your content in this dialog box over here. Select the user or the voice that you want to go ahead and use for your MP3 language. Once that is done, you can go ahead and simply download this as an MP3. Now I have my audio which is already downloaded over here. Just let me quickly play it for you guys.
Tips to grow on LinkedIn. Participate in discussions to engagement and build it and help you boost your credibility and visibility on the...
Step 3. Now that we have actually our audio file ready, we need to start working on the video visuals. For this, I'm going to use wave.video.com. Once you go ahead and you log into your particular profile, you will be able to go ahead and create a new project. Now I have multiple projects over here, but in terms of the demonstration for you guys, I'm going to show you one more time. Just hover on this create button and click on the text. Once you are on this particular tab, all you need to do is copy and paste the content from the particular previous website which we converted the text to speech from. I've pasted the content from that particular website, 6 tips to grow on LinkedIn. I'm gonna go ahead and select preferably free and just click on next. If you want to change the audio mode, you can go ahead and do that, but in this video we would not require the audio. So stay tuned because the audio removal is also a bit difficult. Click on next and then you go ahead and select the template that you want. For example, I will go ahead with this particular template here and create video. Once you create video, once you click on create video, it's gonna take some time to process. Once the processing is being done, you will be landing up on this particular page. As you can see right now, there is no text to speech audio. It has a music in the background, but we need to remove that music from the background and add the text to speech that we made. So in order to do that, click on this purple layer over here and click on the delete button. Once that is done, drag the cursor again to the start of the video. Click on the audio profile over here. After that, click on the uploads tab and upload your text to speech. It's gonna take some time for processing over here. Once the audio track has been added, just simply click on the add button here. Now as you can see, our text
Tips to grow
to
on
speech.
LinkedIn. 1.
Our text to speech has been added to the video.
Your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date.
Now what we need to do is align the text to speech with our visuals over here. So in that case, what I'm gonna do is the first line, as it says,
Tips to grow on LinkedIn.
I'm gonna go ahead and set up my frames as per how the text to speech is talking. For example,
Tips to grow on LinkedIn. 1. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date, including a professional headshot, a clear and concise headline, and a detailed summary that highlights your skills and experience. Use keywords that are relevant to your industry to make it easier for people to find you. 2. Build your net.
it's gonna take a bit of a time.
Industry to make it easier for people to find you. 2. Build your network. Connect with people you know, including colleagues, classmates, and friends. Join relevant groups and
Now if you have noticed, my text is way ahead of the voice that it is talking. So I'm gonna make the corrections over here. Just click on this particular video and go on the speed tab over here. All you need to do is slower the speed by 0.75 seconds. And it is gonna give you this extended option. Now again, I need to just adjust my text to speech with the visuals.
build your network. Connect with people you know, including colleagues, classmates, and friends.
As the text to voice, the text to speech ended over here, I'm gonna pull this trigger and make it relevant till here. And I'm gonna go ahead and increase the timeline for this one as well. Now let's see.
Build your network. Connect with people you know, including colleagues, classmates, and friends. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to expand your network and make new connections. 3. Share valuable content. Share informative and interesting.
I'm hoping that you're liking this particular video. If you're finding it helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
Articles, videos, and other content that is relevant to your industry. This will help you establish yourself as a thought leader and attract more followers.
Now, as we noticed, again, the fourth point came way ahead of the voice. So again, we'll do the same adjustment. I'm gonna go ahead and make this as 0.75 and play it just to adjust it as per the timeline.
Informative and interesting articles, videos, and other content that is relevant to your industry.
Since the voice has stopped over here, I'm gonna go ahead and make the drag option till. Okay. Let's play again.
Articles, videos, and other content that is relevant to your industry. This will help you establish yourself as a thought leader and attract more followers. 4. Engage with others.
Okay. So you just need to keep on adjusting the text as per the audio that you have.
Content that is relevant to your industry. This will help you establish yourself as a thought leader and attract more followers. 4. Engage with others.
And that was not something which was required, so let us just squeeze this part here. It's not just about lowering the speed, it is about adjusting your visuals with your audio.
Followers. 4. Engage with others. Like, comment, and share content from others to increase visibility and build relationships. Respond to comments and messages to foster engagement and build a community around
Moving further to the timeline.
your content. 5. Use LinkedIn's.
Alright, so again we need to go ahead and make this a bit lengthier so it fits as per my speech, that is the audio.
Respond to comments and messages to foster engagement and build a community around your content. 5. Use LinkedIn's advanced features. Leverage LinkedIn's advanced features such as
Again we'll do the same thing.
advanced features. Leverage LinkedIn's advanced features such as endorsements, recommendations, and skills. These features can help you boost your credibility and visibility on the platform.
Okay, so again we have a situation here. Platforms. Go ahead and adjust accordingly.
Recommendations and skills. These features can help you boost your credibility and visibility on the platform. 6. Utilize LinkedIn's paid services. LinkedIn offers various paid services.
And again we do the same.
6. Utilize LinkedIn's paid services. LinkedIn offers various paid services to help you boost your presence on the platform and reach more people. Consider investing in services such as sponsored content, targeted advertising, and LinkedIn Learning.
Now this is way ahead. We need to go ahead and again drag it wherever till possible. There are other variations that you can make in terms of the look and feel of the video.
Paid services to help you boost your presence on the platform and reach more people. Consider investing in services such as sponsored content, targeted advertising, and LinkedIn Learning. Remember, growing your presence on LinkedIn is not a one-time thing, it's a continuous effort. Be consistent and keep working on it. Tips to grow on LinkedIn.
Okay, so the last slide needs to go a bit better. And let's see whether it fits.
Growing your presence on LinkedIn is not a one-time thing, it's a continuous effort. Be consistent and keep working on it.
Perfect. So we have set it up, the particular audio to text and the visuals in a particularly synced format. Now we need to go ahead and check if we want to go ahead and do any visual changes. Now I'm not gonna make any changes to these videos, but in case if you guys want to change it, you can simply click on this particular image and replace the one either from the stock library, or you have your original image, you can go ahead and replace it with that. If you don't like that particular image, just click on this replace button here and it will start adding the stock. Similarly, if you want to go ahead and change the font that is available, you can change the text color however you want. You can change the alignment, and you can also go ahead and change the effect that you want. For example, if you want it like in a frame effect, a side border effect, a fading effect, however you want to go ahead. Similarly, you can make the changes to the other profiles as well. For example, if I want to replace this and I want on LinkedIn, let's see if we find a good one. This is fine. You can change again the styling of this, swipe by word, or you wanted two borders. However, in a circle format, I'm just gonna keep on swipe up by word. Once all these particular changes have been done, all you need to go ahead and do is publish. Click on the video. It's gonna take some time for the video to go ahead and render. Render with watermark. It started rendering the process. If you're still watching the video, I would really appreciate if you click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, this wave.video is one of the best AI video generator that I have been using. It's a great tool for content creation and for content creators, and it's completely a free tool. It's one of the best AI tools, trust me guys. As we can see, it is rendering over here. Right now it is 14%. Let me just quickly show you how the video looks after it is rendered. Alright, so the rendering has been processed. Just simply click on this download button and it's gonna start downloading your new 6 tips to grow on LinkedIn video using Chatgpt. Let me quickly play the video for you guys.
Tips to grow on LinkedIn. 1. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date, including a professional headshot, a clear and concise headline, and a detailed summary that highlights your skills and experience. Use keywords that are relevant to your industry to make it easier for.
And we have our LinkedIn, we have our YouTube video which is ready. So that was my video for Chatgpt for YouTube. Well, if you're wondering how to make money with Chatgpt, this is the best way you can make money with Chatgpt. I hope you found this particular video helpful. This is basically going to help you in YouTube summary with Chatgpt as well. If you liked the video guys and if you found it helpful, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can go ahead and check out other videos in the playlist section. I'll be seeing you back the next time. Thank you.